Selling online courses and offering your expertise as a consultant is one of the easiest side hustles to start with. Why is that the case? Because everyone is an expert at something. Whether it's a skill that you've honed over the years or knowledge that you've gained through experience, there's someone out there who's just getting started and could benefit from what you know. You don't need to be a top expert in your field. In fact, you only need about 10% more knowledge than the people that you're actually teaching. For example, let's say that you just spent the last 3 years learning a skill in either photography, coding, or even fitness. You can take that knowledge and create a course or consulting offer for beginners who are just starting out. The beauty of selling your knowledge is that there are multiple ways to package it, whether it's through an online course program, written material like an ebook, creating a community, or selling your time as a consultant. But here's the thing, don't just jump into this entire process for the money. Too many people try to sell courses or offer consulting services solely to make a quick buck. And unfortunately, that never really works out in the long run. You need to provide real value, and it should be something that you're passionate about. If you truly care about helping others and you're knowledgeable about what you teach, the money will come naturally. Let's dive into a step-by-step process about how to start making money online without having an audience with your online course. The first step is picking your niche. Before diving into creating your online course or offering consulting services, the most critical step is choosing your niche. Your niche is the specific topic or area of expertise that you'll focus on, and it plays a crucial role in determining your success. The more defined and specific that your niche is, the easier it is to stand out and attract the right audience who truly need your knowledge. Trying to appeal to everyone is a common mistake, and when you cater to everyone, you cater really to no one. Instead, I really urge you to narrow down your focus, which will ultimately allow you to become an authority in a specialized area. This makes your marketing more effective and the value that you have clearer to your audience. For example, instead of offering general fitness courses, you might create a course specifically tailored to new mothers looking to lose weight after childbirth. This is a highly specific niche with clear benefits and a defined target audience. By focusing on a specific niche, you make it much easier for potential customers to understand exactly how your expertise applies to their situation, leading to higher conversions and easier sales. To identify your niche, ask yourself the following questions. What do I know that others want to learn? Think about your experience and knowledge. It could be something you've gained from your job, hobbies, or life experiences. The second question to ask yourself is, why do I enjoy helping? Who are the people you feel most passionate about serving? When you love your audience, it shows in your work. The next question to ask is, what specific results can I help people achieve? What is the transformation that you're offering? Define the outcome your clients or students experience by learning from you. By answering these questions, you can hone in on the perfect niche that not only aligns with your strengths, but also with your passions. This clarity will help you move forward with confidence, knowing exactly who you're helping and how your course service will make a real difference in their lives. My second piece of advice is to start small. Don't overcomplicate it. Many first-time creators and consultants feel that they need to offer a massive, comprehensive product right out of the gate. However, starting small is often a better approach, especially when you're still finding your footing. You don't need a 20-hour course packed with dozens of lessons and modules to be successful. In fact, launching with a smaller, more targeted course allows you to test the waters and get feedback faster. Rather than trying to cover everything, focus just on delivering one specific outcome. This way, you can create a solution to a single, well-defined problem that your audience is facing. For example, if you're teaching podcasting, don't feel like you need to dive into every detail about running a successful podcast. Instead, you could start a course that walks beginners through choosing the right equipment, setting up their first recording, and even publishing their first episode. This small but valuable offering could get your students immediate results. And as they progress, you can offer additional content or courses that cover more advanced topics. Starting small not only makes the creation process faster and more manageable, but it also reduces the risk of overwhelming both yourself and your audience. Once you gather feedback from your students and see what resonates with them, you can refine your overall course offering and make it that much better. There's also the opportunity for product-led growth where you can create complementary offerings alongside your initial course offering. The next step here is building credibility without a following. One of the biggest myths in online education is that you need a huge social media audience to actually make sales. The truth is you don't need thousands of followers to build a profitable business. What you do need, however, is credibility. Even if you're starting from scratch with 0 followers, there are simple ways to establish yourself as an authority authority in your niche. The first step you can take is start by gathering testimonials. Even if you've never sold a course or consulting service before, you've probably helped people in some way, whether it was friends, colleagues, or just somebody that you offered a free advice to or helped them out with something. Go to these people and ask them for feedback and, more importantly, testimonials. These testimonials act as social proof, which can go a long way in building trust with potential customers. The next step is focusing on creating valuable free content. This can be anything from blog posts, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, or even TikTok content, where you just simply share your tips, insights, and advice related to your niche. Consistently posting helpful content is going to attract some attention from somebody out there. And the best part about this is that you don't have to worry about going viral. Oftentimes, people who are super successful within their own niches don't have massive audiences. They have a couple of thousand followers, maybe, sure, but at the end of the day, they're providing real value to a core group of people that's a ultra niche defined market, meaning that you don't have to worry about going viral every single time you post. As long as you're giving value to your core group of people that watch your content, those people will end up buying from you. You can also even join relevant online communities, such as Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, Reddit forums, or niche-specific communities. When you're inside of there, you can engage and offer helpful advice and answer people's questions. Doing this can position you as a trusted expert in your field. And if you want to take things even further, you can even host things like free webinars or workshops to demonstrate your knowledge to a live audience. Not only will you build relationships with attendees, but you can also collect their email addresses to start building an email list. But of course, remember, credibility is a key here, and you have to build that trust and provide value. The next step is creating a simple sales funnel. A sales funnel is basically just a structured process that takes potential customers from first discovering you to ultimately purchasing from you or your course or consulting. A simple, well-structured funnel can guide potential clients through the decision-making process, ultimately getting them to purchase from you. You can even start with a completely free offer like an ebook or some sort of short video course. This can get people engaged, interested, and ultimately it's a simple value proposition. You give them the free course in exchange for something like their contact info, whether that's their email address or their phone number. You can then use their email address or their phone number to contact them and continue to market to them. Now, if you're wondering where you can do all this on, one of the best places to get started with building all this is with Kajabi. Kajabi is one of the leading course building platforms, and if you guys want to get started for completely free with them with our special discount link, make sure you use the link down in the description. Once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page here where you simply enter in your email address and then hit the continue button. And as you can see, you're going to get a 30-day free trial that you don't have to pay a dime for. Inside of this program, you'll be able to start building your course immediately and even potentially start making sales. This means you don't have to pay Kajabi anything before you experience your first success. Once we enter in our email address, it will then take us to this page here where we can either choose between an annual option or the monthly option. Both of these have their benefits, but if we go with the annual option, we are going to be saving quite a bit of money. We then enter in our first name, our last name, our email address, we create our password, confirm that password, and then enter in our payment information. Once we enter in all of that, we'll then be able to start our free trial with Kajabi and get started building courses. Kajabi lets you do just about everything, for whether it's building communities, course programs, or even having an email list. It's one of the best places to get started with building anything when it comes to a digital product, and it has the most amount of integrations when it comes to software. If you guys want to get started with Kajabi for completely free, make sure you use the link down in the description. Other than that though, that's pretty much it. I hope this advice helped you, and let me know in the comments below what type of course you're planning on starting. I always have to know your overall thoughts and see where you guys at in your journey. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys in a future one. I'll see you guys in the next video.